All right, got our Rycomoto blinker kit installed on our 24 Crew. And this is the kit that replaces the headlights. So these are the Rycomoto headlights. I've got a clip at the end I'll show you that compares them while they're sitting on the bench. They're almost identical to the originals. So a few features that I like the switch. It's all black. This is the hazard. That's how you turn those on. So the switch is black, blends right in. The horn switch is on the end of the stem, so you don't have a separate switch to install on the dash. It's just easy to reach right there. The blinkers run like that. And they also, this one is different. I think this is the first one that has a self-canceling feature on the blinker. So after, I don't know, I think it's about a couple minutes, it shuts itself off. One other thing that I've had a lot of comments on the trail is the strobe feature on the brakes. It's very visible. Strobe 6 times in the first second and then just stays on full. Those are the factory tail lights, but it has them strobe and then stay on. So very visible. I really like that feature. The kit was easy to install. As far as the kit goes, it was really easy to follow, but taking all the interior panels off to get the wires run all the way to the back, that's always the challenge. But in the back, it just looks the same, no difference. So this is the original. From the front, you can see this has a reflective, more clear plastic indicator light, and the Rycomoto is white. And on the back, there's a few differences. The cooling fins on the Polaris are a little bit thicker. There are more screws holding the cooling fins in on the Rycomoto. This one says Polaris. This one doesn't. And then the connections. There's an additional connector coming out of the Rycomoto headlight, where the Polaris just has the single function headlight wire.